Alright guys, you saw the title, so we're gonna jump right into it. Let's see if the Zerolemon battery charging case for the S23ultra will fit the S24ultra. Alright, now we asked this question because Zerolemon has yet to release a charging case for the S24ultra. So we're gonna see if the S23ultra case fits. For the simple fact that they're the same height at 6.8 inches. Now the major difference is the S24ultra has a flat screen where the S23ultra has some curved edges. So we'll see though, it should fit. All right, real quick look at the instructions. You saw the unpackaging went kind of fast. Quick look around the case. There's the charging port on the bottom. There's your opening for your S Pen, right? Little brain on the side, power button, volume rocker, and some fine print instructions on the inside there. Okay. So it shows you how to put this on. You want to slide the phone down on top of the Type-C piece first, and then just snap on the top frame. All right, just go around the phone, making sure everything fit, and snap tightly. Okay. As you can see, I ran into a little difficulty, and I think it's because of the edge and the camera lens setup. You'll notice later on in the video that the third camera on the bottom sits a little low, so it gives the case a hard time to fit, if that makes sense. I worded that wrong, but y'all know what I meant. All right. The S Pen does slide out. So, like I said, for the most part, it's going to fit. You know, both the phones are the same size. The screen and the camera lens setup made it real difficult, though. All right, but it's on. I got it on. Took me a while. I had to cut out a lot of the video, but it's on. Let's see if we got a little juice on here. Yeah, we got 4 lights. All right. Flip around to the side. And so what happened is the phone's not charging. So the bottom camera lens won't let the phone sit all the way in the frame of the case. So it won't charge because it's not getting a full connection from the Type-C port.